Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The wait is over. Yamaha has just unveiled the new 2025 Tenere 700 Retro, and it's everything adventure lovers and retro enthusiasts have been dreaming of. Blending classic design with cutting-edge enduro performance, this new edition pays homage to Yamaha's Dakar rally heritage, while packing the latest tech for modern riders. At first glance, the 2025 Tenere 700 Retro stuns with its vintage rally-style graphics, bold color schemes, and that iconic square LED headlamp that screams 80s off-road nostalgia. It brings back the spirit of Yamaha's legendary desert racers, making it not just a bike, but a visual tribute to an era when off-road adventures were raw and fearless. Under the hood, or rather, the tank, you still get the powerful 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a perfect mix of torque and reliability. The bike is built on the same rugged frame as the standard Tenere 700, offering exceptional durability, off-road agility, and all-day comfort whether you're hitting rocky trails or cruising the open highway. But Yamaha didn't just stop at looks. The 2025 Retro model comes equipped with updated electronics, including switchable ABS, an improved TFT display with smartphone connectivity, and advanced traction control options. It's built for those who want vintage style without compromising on modern-day performance. Riders will appreciate the bike's long travel suspension, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, and an ergonomically designed seat, perfect for standing or seated rides on challenging terrain. The Tenere 700 Retro also keeps it lightweight, making it incredibly maneuverable compared to bulkier adventure bikes in its class. As for pricing, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 Retro is expected to start around $11,899 in the American market, making it a competitive option for anyone looking to combine off-road capability with timeless design. It offers serious value considering its legendary performance and updated features. In summary, Yamaha has nailed the balance between old-school charm and high-tech capability. The Tenere 700 Retro isn't just another bike, it's an invitation to adventure, wrapped in a package that looks as good as it rides. Whether you're an enduro veteran or a weekend warrior, this is one bike you won't want to miss in 2025.